Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Functions of thyroid metabolic hormones. The thyroid hormones have both the genomic and non-genomic actions. But the general effects of the thyroid hormone are genomic. They activate the nuclear transcription of a large, resulting in the formation of great number of protein enzymes, structural proteins, transport proteins, and other substances in almost all cells of the body. The net result is generalized increase in functional activity throughout the body. Non-genomic functions of thyroid hormones include the regulation of ion channels and oxidative phosphorylation, and they appear to involve the activation of some intracellular secondary messengers like cyclic AMP, protein kinase signaling pathways. These functions occur within minutes, and they are seen to act in heart, pituitary, and adipose tissue. These are the tissues in which the thyroid hormone acts through the non-genomic, or we can say through the second messenger systems. These effects of thyroid hormone are independent of their effects on the gene transcription because they occur within minutes. They occur rapidly within minutes, and these rapid actions cannot be explained by the changes in protein synthesis, and they are not affected by the inhibitors of gene transcription and translation. So, it can be said that these are non-genomic actions of the thyroid hormone, and these actions appear to act on the plasma membrane, the cytoplasm, and some cell organelles such as mitochondria. If you look at this diagram, you can see that the thyroid hormone receptors are located inside the nucleus. As we have already read about this, the thyroid hormone receptors are present in the nucleus, and because the thyroid hormones are lipophilic and they can easily cross the cell membrane, so they can enter into the cell through the cell plasma membrane, and then they can cross the nuclear membrane easily. So they enter into this nucleus and attach with their receptors. Now the receptors are either located on the DNA strands or they are located in proximity to them. These receptors form a heterodimer with retinoid X receptor RXR. It's a retinoid X receptor. Together they form a heterodimer, and they are located on a specific portion of the DNA which is known as thyroid hormone response element. When the thyroid hormone binds with the receptor becomes activated and initiates the transcription process. Large number of different types of messenger RNAs are then formed, and this is followed within another few minutes or hours by RNA translation on cytoplasmic ribosomes to form hundreds of new intracellular proteins. However, not all the proteins are increased by the similar percentages. Some are increased only slightly, and others at least much as sixfold or manyfold. Some of the actions of thyroid hormone result from the enzymatic and other functions of these new proteins. The most important effect of thyroid hormone is to increase the cellular metabolic activities. These hormones increase the metabolic activities of almost all the tissues of the body. BMR can increase to up to 60 to 100% above normal. Because of this increase in BMR, the rate of utilization of food for energy is greatly increased, and the growth rate of young people is also greatly accelerated. The mental processes are excited, and the activities of most of the other endocrine glands are increased. One of the important functions of thyroid hormones is to increase the number and activity of the mitochondria. When this hormone was given to an animal, it was seen that the mitochondria increase in size and number in the given animal, in the animal in which the thyroid hormone was given. So it is an important function of the thyroid hormone, and not only the number and size of the mitochondria, it increases the surface area of the mitochondria to increase the enzymatic action. When the number of mitochondria increase, it results in the increase or in the rate of formation of ATP to energize the cellular functions. Another enzyme that increases its activity in response to thyroid hormone is sodium potassium ATPase enzyme. This increased activity of this enzyme increases the rate of transport of sodium and potassium ions through the cell membranes of some of the tissues, and because of this process uses energy and increases the amount of heat produced in the body. So it has been suggested that this might be one of the mechanisms by which thyroid hormone increases body's metabolic rate. It also causes the cell membranes of most of the cells to become leaky to sodium ions, which further activates the sodium pump and further increases heat production. Effect of thyroid hormone on growth. Thyroid hormone has both the general and specific effects on growth. These effects mainly manifest in growing children. They cause the skeletal growth in children. If the children have hypothyroidism, the rate of growth is greatly retarded. While if the children have hyperthyroidism, there will be excessive skeletal growth, causing the child to become considerably taller at an earlier age. An important effect of thyroid hormone is to promote growth and development of brain during fetal life. And for the first few years of postnatal life, if the fetus does not secrete sufficient quantities of thyroid hormone, the growth and maturation of brain before birth and after birth both are greatly retarded, and the brain remains smaller than normal. Without specific thyroid therapy within days or weeks after birth, the child without thyroid gland will remain mentally deficient throughout the life. This it will be discussed later on. These hormones have widespread effects on the ossification of cartilage, growth of teeth, the contours of the face, and proportions of the body. These will be discussed in a few moments.